In our previous video, we have tested our backend where we have successfully created the web API endpoint and we have tested the endpoint from local machine. In this video, I am going to create the React application. In order to do that, we have to have a VS Code or any kind of studio or tool that you need to do the programming. I am using a Mac machine over here, and if you notice, I have already installed the npm and my version is 9.4.0. First, I will use create React app library to create the React application. It is a bootstrap that will create my React application, and I'll call my application as stable D app, stable diffusion app. So D is a short form of that. So I will type npx create React app stable D app, and it will go ahead and create the React application. So now if you notice that in the package JSON, I have couple of scripts to invoke. So I can call start, build, test, and eject. Let's go ahead and run the start script to see how our React application is coming along. So you can notice that my React application is running in port number 3001 because 3000 port number was already in use. By default, it runs on 3000. So if you go to the src folder and you notice that there is a app.js file, this is the application, React application, where we have simple JavaScript code. And in our next video, I will modify this JavaScript code to have here some kind of HTML, where basically we will allow user to write their text and submit so that we can fetch the image and render it. So stay tuned for the next video where we will write some React code.